Welcome to the morning prayer. Everybody please settle down, maintain silence. Let us begin today's session with 3 rounds of Omkara. Inhale deeply. नमस्कार मित्र। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। योग गणपति मूल मंत्र। ओम हम सं गं भगवते नित्य योग युक्ताय सच्चिदानंद रूपिणे विनायकाय नमः। दक्षिणामूर्ते गुरु स्तोत्रम। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। श्री स्वामी विवेकानंद प्रार्थना। नमः श्री यतिराजाय विवेकानंद सूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे स्वामिने तापहारिणे। सामरस्य प्रार्थना फॉर हार्मनी फ्रॉम ऋग्वेद। संगच्छध्वं संवदध्वं संभो मनांसि जानतां देवा भागै यथा पूर्वे संजानाना उपासते समानो मन्त्रस्समिति समानी समानं मनस्सह चित्तमेषाम् समानं मन्त्रमभिमन्त्रयेवः समाने नवो हविषा जुहोमि समानीव आकुतिः समाना हृदयानि वः समानमस्तु वो मनः यथा सुसहासति। पंचांगम अद्यतन पंचांगम चतुर्विंशत्यधिक एकशतोत्तर पंचसहस्रतम कलियुगाब्दः श्री शुभकृत नाम संवत्सरः उत्तरायणं शिशिर ऋतुः फल्गुन मासः शुक्लपक्षः द्वादशी तिथिः पुष्य नक्षत्रं शोभन योगः बालवकरणं मंदवासरः। Today's date 4th of March 2023 Saturday. तिथेश श्रियमाप्नोति वारादायुष्यवर्धनं नक्षत्राधर्ते पापं योगाद्रोगनिवारणं करणात् कार्यसिद्धिश्च पंचांगफलमुत्तमम्। सर्वेषां शुभमस्तु। Shloka from Bhagavad Gita, chapter 7, verse 28. येषां त्वन्त्वगतं पापं जनानां पुण्यकर्मणां ते द्वन्द्वमोहनिर्मुक्ताः भजन्ते मां दृढव्रताः। Meaning, but persons whose sins have been destroyed by engaging in pious activities become free from the illusion of dualities. Such persons worship me with determination.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Suprabhatam. The word split. Yesham tu antagatam papam jananam punyakarmanam te dvandvamoha nirmuktaha bhajante mam dridhavrataha. I am reminding the context, because shlokas are to be seen in their context. We have already seen that this is a chapter, 7th chapter, is Jnana Vijnana Yoga. So where the entire chapter is to be seen on, should be seen as a discussion on methods of Jnana, knowing, understanding the God, Bhagavan, Ishvara, Ishvara Tattva, and Vijnana, realization of it. So Jnana, knowing, and then Vijnana, realization dimension of God. Because our tradition is very clear that it is not theoretically only we should discuss about God. It is realized, as Swami Vivekananda's quest was there. Have you seen God? Can I see God? So it always should culminate in realization. So that is the context, that is the spirit, and it is realization oriented tradition. Our civilization is always realization oriented, and so here that dimension as to how to move towards the realization of God. So that is clearly given here. In the previous shloka, what impedes the realization of the God was given. Ichha dvesha samuthena dvandva mohena bharata sarvabhutani sammoham sargeyanti parantapa. So what keeps people busy and deluded, confused, is ichha and dvesha. So ichha is desire, because we are, as Kathopanishad would put it, Paranchi, Khani, Vyatranat, Swayambhuhu, the creator, whoever created us, Paranchi, Khani, Vyatranat. He kind of put us in trouble by making our senses pointing outside. So hence, each of the sense demands this and that. And so running behind, satiating this desire and that desire always remains. So we are involved, engrossed in that. And when that desire, someone impedes, someone comes between me and my object of desire, then dvesha. Ichha, dvesha. So we run behind object, then someone comes in between, then dvesha. It's a cycle and we are very busy in this. And the God remains untouched. So because of that, there is a moha. Ichha, dvesha, samuthena. These ichha and dvesha are the dvandvas, or the dualities that create this maya jala, moha. So everyone is busy there, so no one is there to look at me. So that is continued here. So how to overcome that ichha, dvesha, moha? Dvandva moha nirmuktaha. How to become free from that ichha, dvesha, moha? That is given. Antagatam papam jananam punya karmanam. By reducing the papa karmas, we become the punya karmas, and then that dvandva moha, we are freed from the clutches, or we are freed from that vicious cycle of that. So normally how to reduce the tendency, negative tendencies in our life, papa karma, how to reduce that. Sometimes we determine that yes, I have to turn a new leaf today. Various habits, we ourselves know that this habit is not right, that habit is not right, this kind of a behavior, that word I should not have uttered. We are aware. Our conscience, our vijnana is there that these are the mistakes that I should not have committed, but we keep committing. So, papa karma, how to reduce that papa karma, how to make it antagata, how to put an end to it, the solution is in the next line. Don't worry too much. Of course, understand that there is some problems in behavior, in conduct, etc. But more than that, focus on punya karma. What are all the things to be done? What are all the positive things? This is positive psychology. So look at the positive side, positive things that are to be done. If we focus more on those, then naturally we will not be left with the time to think about those negative tendencies and habits. Then what are the positive things to be cultivated in life? There is no dearth of such list in our Shastras. If you go to Yoga Shastra, you have the entire list of Yama, Niyama, all those things, Ahimsa, Satya, Asteya, Brahmacharya, Shaucha, Santosha, Tapas, Swadhyaya. Then come to Bhagavad Gita. Again there is a lot of list. Amanitvam, Adambhitvam, Ahimsa, Shantihi, Arjavam, Acharyopasanam, Shaucham. Learning about positive qualities itself will take time. So let us be busy in what are the positive qualities to be realized and what are the positive qualities. Let us understand them and slowly incorporate them in our life. By that itself, we will be very busy in that. We will not have time to think about our papa karmas. So naturally, see in Yoga Shastra also it is the same thing. Klishta, aklishta. So there are klishta vrittis and aklishta vrittis. Klishta vrittis are vrittis with afflictions that create the cycle of klishta samskara, afflicting samskara. So that cycle of vritti samskara with kleshas will keep going on. How to break that cycle? Start aklishta vrittis and aklishta samskaras, means non-afflicting positive activities like ahimsa, satya, asteya. Then they will create much more powerful, strong cycle, that this cycle becomes a smaller and insignificant. So yesham to antagatam papam. How to reduce that papa? Jananam punya karmanam. Focusing on the positive qualities. When this positive cycle is further strengthened by satsanga, then what happens is te dvandva moha nirmuktaha. Only such people are freed from the vicious cycle created by the duality of dvandva and moha. And finally, bhajante mam dridhavrataha. They are the ones who will finally realize the God. So that Bhagavad Tattva, see, who can really realize the God is those who are involved in this constant process of cleansing. So cleansing, we have seen, is not to think too much about the negativities and fret about it and be guilty about it. Oh, I am this, I am that. No. Think more about the positive qualities. Try to slowly incorporate them in your dinacharya. At the end of the day, write a journal that what happened today, what is my learning and what is my conduct. Do that analysis. That there is a Samskrita shloka also which says that pratyaham pratyaveksheta narascharitam atmanaha kinnu me pashubhis tulyam kinnu satpurushairiva. At night, before going to sleep, sit and say, look back at your day. Pratyaham, every day, pratyaveksheta, look back at your day's activity. Naraha charitam atmanaha. What did I do today? What did I speak today? How did I behave today? Kinnu me pashubhis tulyam kinnu satpurushairiva. Did I behave like an animal or satpurusha? Did I behave like a good human being who is under the guidance of a guru? So this pratyavekshana, along with focusing more on the positive qualities, will lead us to the positive happy cycle, and riding on that cycle, that bicycle, we can reach the abode of divinity. That is how, this is the path to vijnana. or realization of the God that is so beautifully elaborated in this shloka.
Let us conclude the prayer meet with Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Adopt Namaskar Mudra. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Santu Niramayaha. Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. Ma Kasyet Dukha Bhag Bhave. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. I would now request Dr. Amit Singh to come and hoist the flag. Everyone stand for national anthem. Janagana Manadhinayaka Jaya He Bharata Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindha Gujarata Maratha Dravida Utkala Banga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchala Jaladhi Taranga तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे। भारत माता की वंदे।